Hey, so I'm Phoenix Harrison, previously known as Hannah Richmond or Spirit Gladens. But yeah, whatever. Anyway, I thought I'd make a YouTube video because I've never made one, and well, I just felt like it. So, do I need a reason really? Though, but yeah. So at the moment, I am doing contemporary theatre, and it's really fun and stuff. I'm at the Arden School of Theatre, working hard, or trying to. Last term I did my final assessment in contemporary theory, and it was based on Artaud's Theatre of Cruelty. So as part of it, I bit through this lamb's heart and spat it on the floor, and that was disturbing to say the least. But yeah, it was fun, and it's very inspirational, to be honest. At the moment, I'm really inspired by Lady Gaga's performances. I like her music, but her performances are just something else. I mean, setting a piano on fire on stage and playing it, and obviously she's gonna be fireproofed or something, but to have the guts to go and do that on such a big scale is truly inspirational to me, and it's something that I really aspire to do in the future. I really want to it sounds mental, just set fires, not illegally, for performances and for your entertainment. Yeah. So yeah, that's a really big inspiration in my life. And also Franco B. Oh my god, that man is just, I can't actually find a word to describe how insanely just God, oh my god. Check him out. You've got a YouTube, Franco B. No, what am I on? Go on his website, Google. I'm really tired. So yeah, today I went back to the Arden, my first day back, but it should have been last week, this time last week even, yeah. But it's been snowing, it still is snowing. My flat is still covered in snow outside. It's pretty annoying, right? And anyway, this morning I had a theory lesson again with contemporary theatre, and it was just amazing, talking about live arts, which is the best thing ever, ever created, pretty much, yeah, as far as I'm concerned. I don't care if other people think differently. Of course people are going to think differently, but that is one of my callings, I think, so far. And one day you'll see me on the news doing some crazy shit that it's probably going to be really disturbing, and this is going to be because I am trained in this kind of stuff, and it's going to be fun, disturbing, but whatever. It'll be fun! Yeah. Sometimes a bit weird. My hair's really annoying me today. Look at this little piece here, just won't stay up. It's hairspray! Fucking hairspray! But still, it's, it's gone now, but all day, it's just, oh my god, yeah. I'll cover that with hairspray and the lid. Now I won't go on. The lid, oh my god. Everything just fails. For people who don't know, I have a little girl She's 3 and she's called Hope. This is hers. How cute is that? I got it from Affleck's Palace and it's like, oh my god, the cutest thing. I love Hello Kitty. Even though I think this one could be Miffy, but there isn't a tag on it. I think a lady made it in Japan. Yeah, whatever. I'm trying to think. I've changed my hair. I change it like all the time. This is like a little headpiece. Pony thing. I'll do a video sometime about that. If I can record it, but yeah, I can. I'm just gonna change the song because I've heard this so many times now. It's like I love it, but you know, like enough's enough sometimes. So I'm gonna put on a Rihanna song, Rockstar 101. It's the sex, the sex. Seriously. I know it's not been officially released, but it's with Slash, and it's like on their new album, Rated R, is it? Rated R? Yeah. I got something right, oh my god, yeah. But yeah, I'm currently in Manchester, originally from Barrow, in fairness. That place is no. The only decent pub that was ever there, like ever there, is shut down. The King's. So there's nowhere to go there. So when I'm back, like I was back at Christmas and they shut down. On Boxing Day, when I was going out to go and see some band there, they just decided to shut down forever. Bombay. So yeah. And look what I ate. I'm such a pig. Well, I only ate half of it-ish today. But, oh my god. Fish food. And my daughter's fish died yesterday. She killed it. She, like, sprayed kitchen spray with bleach into its bowl thinking she was cleaning it. So, like, it's dead. And I completely freaked out. Like, it was fine at first because I was just like, oh, yeah, dead fish, take a picture, yeah. On my sexy phone. But then I was like, shit, I'm gonna have to get it out of its tank. And, like, I'm not a scary person, like, a bit through an animal's heart. Oof, got hiccups. But, like, it's just annoying. Like, I screamed so many times. How annoying! Ah! Hiccups! Oh my god! How embarrassing. So yeah, anyway. I eventually got down the toilet and I did like a little picture memorial of its funeral. So that went on Facebook along with the dead fish picture and the picture I just put on before, and I'd only had the fish for 2 days and it was called Gaga Goldfish. I can't believe it. I'm gutted. So yeah. I have singing at 9 in the morning, and at the moment it's like 6 minutes past 10, and it takes me about 3 hours to get ready, get my daughter to nursery, and get all the way across the city centre. Especially in the snow, I'm gonna fall and hopefully not break anything. I think they've gone.